Hi guys, welcome back. It's been really hot today, so thought I'd come out this evening and have a wander around the park. Now that this virus thing is starting to calm down, and of course they say this time of the evening is apparently the golden hour to get the best light for filming. Don't know whether that's true or not. But anyway, I thought I'd just sort of catch up with what's been going on recently. Not been able to do a lot with this virus. Been desperately trying to get a haircut. I've actually ordered a pair of clippers, so I really don't think that's going to end very well. But anyway, enough about me. So, the car. It's only three things really, because the videos I've put up the last couple of weeks are videos that I've had kicking around for some time, so they're historical videos. So just before Christmas the water pump bearing started getting noisy, so I had to put another water pump on it. For those of you that have followed the channel for some time, you will know that one of the problems with the car when I bought it back in 2013 was the water pump was leaking. So I think one of the first jobs, if not the first job I ever did on that car, was replace the water pump. So that's lasted around 6 years, probably, I don't know, 55,000 miles-ish. I couldn't get the pump from the original supplier, they wasn't on eBay anymore, but I got one for the same sort of price, 2-year guarantee, so I'll slap up the page for that for you so you can see that. Then just after Christmas, the bushes went on the back track control arms, started making a lot of noise, and the handling just went right out the window, absolutely atrocious. Now the front the front track control arms, again I think I replaced those about 6 months after I first got the car, but I got a really good deal on a set of 4, so I thought sod it, let's do all 4, let's put complete 4 new ones on it again, and there's nothing wrong with the front ones, so I've hung on to those as a couple of spares if ever I need them. But the one that you're all going to be interested in is the hood. The hood really got past its day. The stitching started to split around the window, and the window's been pretty sort of misted up and grotty for a long time. So I decided it was time for a new hood. Now I had it all booked and I thought they would cancel it because of this virus lockdown. But they actually did this scheme where basically you pay through bank transfer. You leave the keys in the car park, they pick the car up, change the hood, then you pick the car up from the car park. So that was cool, they still did that. But unfortunately, I did ask them about doing a video and they were up for it, but not at that time. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that sometime in the near future I might be able to get back to them and actually put a bit of a video together for you about Car Hood Warehouse, I think it's called. Yeah, the Car Hood Warehouse. And have a bit of a video with them, tell you a bit about them and a bit about the process of fitting the new roof. £650. I think it took them 2.5 hours to change it, so I had to go and sort of lose myself around Sevenoaks in Kent for a little while they did that, but at least the roof was done. And that pretty much brings us up to speed with the car. Now, as I've said many times, at the moment I'm doing a lot of video work for the company I work for, and the office that we use as a studio when we're doing in-house videos is very small, and it creates chaos with the picture quality and with the sound. The acoustics are absolutely awful. I've desperately been trying to sort those out. I've got some new editing software which is much better at doing colour correction and that sort of thing to salvage the picture. There are two drawbacks with it though. A, my laptop's not really powerful enough to run it, so I'm limited to what sort of editing I can do on it. And B, I'm not used to using it yet, so I'm not really sure how to do a lot of the bits it can do. The other problem was the audio, the acoustics. Now, I dragged out, I've got it in my pocket here, I dragged out, as you can see I'm wearing, oops, I shouldn't bang that around a bit, I'm wearing a lapel microphone, and we've got a audio recorder. Now I've had these for some years and have not really been a great deal of use. They're not that good. So what we also did is we also got some audio editing software, but that didn't really help much until some nice YouTuber sent us some settings to use in it, and now the audio is reasonably good. Now I'm hoping at the end of the day that the things that we're finding out and learning there will help to improve the quality of the videos you get to see, and we'll soon know, because if this audio is good then either this has worked or I've completely re-recorded this, because the last time I recorded it the audio was rubbish. So I won't know until I get back and put it on the laptop. But hopefully, you know, that will bring you better quality videos. The other thing, of course, is I've got to try and improve my workflow and my organisation with editing, because some of the stuff that I'm editing for work is you've got like 20 to 30 hours of footage that's got to be condensed down into a half an hour video. So you've got to kind of troll through all of this footage to get just the stuff you need. So I'm hoping, where I'm trying to learn to speed that process up and get more organised and logical with that process, that might also help me edit these videos better. So hopefully it's all good stuff. Now I know I keep promising a video on bodywork. The problem I've had is I'm very fussy over the materials I use when I'm doing bodywork, and I haven't been able to locate suppliers in the local area. But much to my surprise, I managed to find suppliers on eBay. So I didn't really think they would do that kind of stuff, but they do. So I'm going to get the materials I want ordered, and hopefully very soon we can start getting into doing some bit of body work with you to show you some basic tips and techniques on how to do body work. So that's pretty much it for the moment. I'll try and do my best to keep the videos coming under all the things I've got to do. If you've got any topics that you would like me to cover, I mean obviously I can't go pulling the car to pieces just to do a video on a particular subject, but if you've got any subjects you would like me to kind of go over with you, then please let me know in the comments. And also now I've signed up for this thing, buymeacoffee.com. So if you do like the videos and you do find them useful, then please feel free to buy me a coffee. That's it for this video. So until next time, oh, you know the routine. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button and share the hell out of the video. So until next time.
He's looking at you, kid.